Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into everything you need to know about prepaid meters in Nigeria. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are prepaid meters? Simply put, they are electricity meters that require you to pay for your power before you use it. You buy electricity units through tokens or online platforms and load them onto the meter. This means no more estimated billing, and you get full control over your energy usage. So what are the key benefits of using prepaid meters? Number 1, you have control over your energy consumption. You can monitor your usage and budget accordingly, which helps avoid any nasty bill shocks at the end of the month. Number 2, you only pay for what you actually use. This eliminates disputes over estimated bills. And number 3, the convenience factor. You can buy electricity units anytime, anywhere, either online or through vending points. Now, how do you manage your prepaid meter effectively? Here are a few tips to help you out. First, understand your consumption. Track your daily or weekly usage to pinpoint energy-guzzling appliances and optimize their usage. Second, create a savings plan. Budget for your electricity like any other bill to avoid running out of units. Third, consider buying in bulk. This can help you save on price fluctuations and reduce the frequency of your purchases. Fourth, use energy wisely. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use and opt for energy-efficient bulbs. Fifth, keep an emergency fund for unexpected top-ups. This way, you can avoid sudden power outages. And finally, monitor your meter regularly. Check for unusual consumption patterns and report any issues to your distribution company or disco. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.